Ella and the Secret Garden Gate. Ella discovered a hidden gate in her backyard one day, and it led to a magical garden. Inside, the flowers changed colors, the birds sang funny tunes, and the animals could talk. Every time Ella visited, she found new wonders waiting for her, from squirrels who loved jokes to flowers that sang songs. The garden became her special place, teaching her to be curious and to respect all living things. Ella learned that kindness, curiosity, and a caring heart open doors to wonderful worlds. Her secret garden became a place of adventure and discovery, where she learned new lessons every day. Ella promised to always protect her magical place and share the kindness and wonder she found there with her family and friends.